Let's explore object-oriented programming in PHP with a focus on abstract classes. This is an introduction to the concept of abstract classes in PHP. Abstract classes are classes that cannot be instantiated directly. Instead, they serve as blueprints for other classes. They define a structure and enforce implementation rules that derived classes must follow. Here's the basic syntax for defining an abstract class. We start with the keyword abstract class, followed by the name of the class, in this case, vehicle. Inside the class, we can define properties, such as a protected variable named brand, and methods like setBrand. The setBrand method takes a brand name as an argument and assigns it to the brand property of the class. Abstract classes can contain abstract methods, which are methods declared without an implementation. In this example, we have an abstract class called shape with two abstract methods, calculate area and draw. Notice the keyword abstract before the public function declaration. A crucial point to remember is that child classes inheriting from an abstract class must implement all the abstract methods defined in the parent class. Let's look at a complete example of an abstract class. Here we have an abstract class named animal. It has a protected property called name. There is also a function setName, which sets the name of the animal. Additionally, it declares an abstract method called makeSound. Any class that extends the animal class must implement this makeSound method. Now let's see how to extend an abstract class. We create a class named dog that extends the animal class. Inside the dog class, we provide an implementation for the makeSound method, which returns a string indicating the sound the dog makes, along with its name. We then create an instance of the dog class, set its name to Buddy, and the makeSound method will now return woof. I'm Buddy. Let's summarize the key rules and benefits of using abstract classes. The rules are: abstract classes cannot be instantiated directly, and child classes must implement all abstract methods defined in the abstract class. The benefits are: abstract classes enforce structure, promote code consistency, and reduce errors in object-oriented programming. In summary, abstract classes provide structure and enforce consistency in object-oriented PHP applications. They are a powerful tool for designing robust and maintainable code. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.